Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove Yahoo Search from Google Chrome. So let's get started. At first, open your Google Chrome, then click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the Chrome menu. Then after, select Settings. Scroll down to find the Search Engine section. Under Search Engine, you will see Search Engine used in the address bar. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, you can select your prepared search engine from the list. It will automatically update your search engine. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.